Guess where am I now? We are at Northbridge, Perth City here. If you're thinking where to go, if you're in Perth City, it is definitely to Northbridge here, and we are going to do a very short tour of the area around here, and you can come here and visit. This is where the nightlife is, and lots of very nice restaurants, cafes, ice cream shops. All these places open till quite late at night. 哦哦，OK OK，我现在明白你在讲什么了，还有这种 logo 啊。哦，真係美，冧喎。In front of us, that very nice building is the Brass Monkey Hotel. There is also a pub below where you can enjoy your drinks with your friends. Okay, now we're crossing the road to the other side. If you're here in Northbridge, do look for this sign. It is the Northbridge light sign. This is the Northbridge light sign. 现在很多颜色变了。This area here is quite safe because you will see lots of police patrolling around. Cái浙江来了，有去才去。好危险啊！应该差不多在这个 range 啊，咱们这边应该。前面哦，应该你看很多人啊，应该是那间啊。We are going to look for an ice cream shop, and we see this ice cream shop in front of us. Okay, so this is going to be the short tour of Northbridge. We wanted to go to Chuchini and try out the ice cream, but they closed already, so we couldn't get any ice cream. The next part is some of the footage that I took from my phone in the vertical format, so you can have a look at what Northbridge looks like from the vertical format. This is the place where you can eat some Chinese food. Uncle Billy here is quite good, and it open up to 4 a.m. in the morning, and this is what it looks like. There's so many people here, and this is quite a popular place.